In this video, I'll show you how to adjust margins in a PDF document. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to export your document file as a PDF. Simply select File, then Download, and under it, go ahead and select the PDF format. Now, once the file is actually downloaded on your device, what you'll need to do with a PDF file to adjust the margins. If you want to adjust the margins for your PDF file is to simply use a PDF to Word converter tool that will allow you to convert your PDF document to Word back again. So simply open that and click on that select PDF file, and from your local drive, go ahead and select the PDF file to where you want to adjust margins to. Simply click on that convert to Word button and this PDF file will be converted to Word. Go ahead and download your Word file, then open it into your Google Docs or Microsoft Word depending on the tool that you have. Now go ahead and adjust the margins from there, and that's basically how you can adjust margins in PDF document. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.